Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to pick up and vacuum. First of all, I'm sure not all of you have, but I have a Roomba and that is working right now in the kitchen. With the dog, it's fantastic. It picks up the dog hair and I don't have to sweep, and that runs on its own. Every day, as you can see, it goes over rugs, onto the hardwood, and it has a little docking station right back there. And it does that in the entryway, the laundry room, and half bath are there, and then it does all the kitchen floor. Then I have the computer room. I'm not in there very often, so I shut the door on that. And then I have a little stopper so it doesn't come into the living room, because it does get hung up on my area rugs. But as you can see, I don't have little kids around the house anymore, but I do have a dog. As you can see, she's got all of her toys and bones in the middle. She is so funny. She'll go get one, bring it out, squeak it. If she doesn't get attention, she'll go back and get another. So we need to pick all of those up, so then I can use my regular vacuum and vacuum the living room. So we are going to take a second here and pick up her toys. Elle's out of the way. And just like little kids, she's got a toy box. Right here, I have the toy box. Ellie, move, move. These are her favorite. She has a beaver, and she has a hedgehog. Those are her favorite toys, aren't they, Ellie? Okay, we're going to pick those up and put them in the other room where they belong. Alrighty, Elle. Once I start up the vacuum, she'll leave. She's not excited about that. And now I'm going to turn my button on and hit the floor. There's another button. Whoops, I just dropped it. There we go. And now I can vacuum. As you see, there's popcorn. There's all kinds of little things. And that is how you vacuum. And I'll do the whole rug.